Hey YouTube, here's my son. It's a big freaking chunk of wood on this vaulted ceiling. Yeah, there's a little indent. This is where we get a bunch of cabinets gonna go. We made a big hole for light for that back room. Here's the front entrance. Still have to do this side of the vaulted ceiling, but it's coming along good. There's my son. There we go. And this little back room, it's about 8 by 26, I think. Yep, there's that hole. My son did this entire room. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. I still got that room back there to do. Kind of a utility porch room. Alright, there you go YouTube, that's our update for December 21st. Happy End of the World Day.